Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now today I will be showing you a tour of my breakfast room and my living room. And this is where I went in and just added a few items, changed up a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I did. If you are interested, keep watching. And here is the reveal. And right here I added my nice gold and burgundy vase. And it is housing my nice red poinsettias with the pine cones and the berry beans. And right here I have my naked white tree. I tried to put some ornaments on it, but I didn't have the small ones, so it didn't look good. So I placed the ornaments right at the foot or the base of the tree. And here is my glam nice reindeer. So that is what on this table, and I have the same thing housed on my other end table. Now let's go to the couch. Now on the couch I removed the black, gray, and silver pillows, and I added this red burgundy pillow in the center, and I changed these pillows here around. And also I moved the nice soft white blanket, put that in the center. And the only thing I did up here was just added 2 poinsettias blossom. Okay, right here on the table I changed just a little things around. I added the vases with the white poinsettias, and I kept "May your days be merry and bright," and I added the 2 seasoned snowman, and I added some of these ornaments here, and I kept the garland. And this is what we have going on this table right here. And let's go to the love seat. Now on the love seat I added the burgundy pillow, and I took the rug and I laid that in the center of the love seat. And right here I added the 2 pillows. And that is what the love seat is looking like right now. And I think the area turned out pretty nice. Okay, let's go over to my console table. Now on this console table, I did not change anything on the top level, but the bottom level I just added 2 reindeers. And in my bowl I removed some of the stems and I added some ornaments. Okay? And this is what the console table looks like. Okay, let's go over to the Christmas tree. Now my Christmas tree, I don't have a skirt, but I was looking for the turntable for the Christmas tree that revolves the Christmas tree around. But since I don't have that, I put one of those up later. I'm just showing you guys what I have up so far. And this is what my Christmas tree is looking like, and I think it turned out lovely. So I went with the poinsettias Christmas tree and added a few ornaments to it, and this is what I'm going with this year. And this will probably be one of my Christmas trees. If I have time, I'll put up the other one. Okay, let's go over to my breakfast dining area. Okay, so what I did is I added the pillows And I kept some of the items that I had, like I kept my tall pillow candle holders, and I kept my flute glasses, and I just added some bling diamonds in it. Took my napkin ring and laid it across my flutes. And here I added the red charger, the red napkin, and I also added some napkin rings, the acrylic. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick pan around and we are done. Now I want to take out this time to say thanks to my husband for putting up the tree and for helping me throughout the year on my videos, and thanks to you that have been rocking with me since day one. I really do appreciate that. And guys, if you are not part of the Precious family, I would love to have you join before this year is out. And I thank you so much for all of you for already have joined this channel. Thank you so much. And until the next time, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Merry Christmas.